Hello viewers, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to beautiful Orlando, Florida. What a day. It's hot out there. Scorcher. This right here is my seed collection. I'm starting to grow a lot of different vegetables. I've been growing some for quite some time. I'm more into fruit trees, but since I have a collection of seeds, I might as well get going back to the vegetable garden. So I've been planting a lot of vegetable seedlings. Some of the seedlings I've actually saved myself from the vegetables and fruits that I have eaten. And some were purchased and some were given to me. I figure I can only wait but so long as my fruit trees are growing. I might as well keep the garden going and grow that backyard grocery store. So vegetables, here I come. I have different varieties and all of them look delicious to me. So this will be by trial and error. Okay, here goes some of my seedlings that I started. Here's some of my sweet potato slits. I'm trying sweet potatoes 2 different ways this time, actually 3 different ways. Go straight to the ground. Some are going right into some water. And some are going, basically the whole sweet potato is going to go right into the flower pot. These are a couple of my other seedlings I have. Some of them took a while to sprout, as you can see on the date. Some of them sprouted instantly. Over here I have a squash plant that I just put down from the nursery. And right here I have an okra plant. I just got that from the nursery also. So I'm going ahead, this is my first time growing okra. Here is one of my cucumber plants. I had to actually cut it down some because something was attacking it. I actually grew that straight from seed. And here are my tomato plants. I grew these from seed. I had to repot them because something was attacking them also. This is also the area where the former snake house was back here. So my lovely husband fixed all of this behind me, so I wouldn't be so afraid of snakes and I can see them before they see me, hopefully, and can take off running because I will not be standing there waiting for them. Okay, so here we are over here. I got some garden beans. Let me take that out of there. That used to be a tomato pot. And I also got some more cucumber plants. And I actually have one little cucumber right here, or what appears to be a cucumber. I'm hoping that's what is going to grow, that whole one cucumber. And I have some more garden beans and some more sweet potato slits inside the soil. And this is a top lizard area. The lizards just love these sweet potatoes. We have all kind of vermins running around here. So we have, I ran into snapping turtles. I have, just all type of creatures running around. This is one of the cabbages that I got from the nursery. I have 4. This is not cabbage growing time or collard green growing time. That was for the winter, but I'm just trying to keep the stalks so I can regrow them again. So that's all I'm doing. Yep, and I've actually seen armadillos running around and don't like those either. So hopefully they can stay out of the backyard. And of course, this is the pepper plant once again. And one thing I definitely do not want to see ever, or I will stop gardening in this backyard or any other backyard, and that is the old trusty Florida top dog. What Florida is known for, what most people are scared of or should be scared of, which we respect in nature, at least I do, and that's the top dog gator. Yeah, if I see that back here, I will not be gardening anymore. So this is my compost. It's also a big planter where I'll be putting a tree in eventually. And another compost where I'll be putting another big tree in. These are 50-gallon buckets. Okay, and last but not least is my herbs. So I'd like you to thank you for coming back to my channel. And hopefully you enjoyed this short little snipping. And thank you very much. And God bless. Bye.